Hey guys, welcome back. I have to whisper because my daughter is asleep while she's trying to go to sleep. She's been crying off and on for like an hour. I've tried everything. So I'm wearing my microphone. I'm going to be trying these today. I've tried the peanut butter ones, but I've never tried the almond butter ones. So there's 5 pouches in here. Each pouch has 2 cups in it. So one pouch is 180 calories, 10 grams of fat, 3.5 grams saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 180 sodium, 20 carbs, 2 fiber, 8 sugar, 4 protein. So they're not exactly healthy, but if you want a sweet little treat, try to be quiet. So if you want a sweet little treat, this has granola and almond butter. The peanut butter ones were amazing. So yeah, here's the pack. I mean, this is probably better than a candy bar. I don't know. Just want it out of the way. That's all right. We'll keep it here so you can see it. Okay, so here they are. Like I said, there's 2 in a pouch. They have almonds, like chopped almonds on top. So it's a little granola cup with some almond butter. And then chopped almonds on top. Pretty good. It's really good. It's not too sweet. Like, I've been cleaning all day, so my hair's pulled up. I got smeared eye makeup. I'm not like hungry. I just want like a little snack. This is perfect. It's really, really good. It's like the perfect amount of sweet and salty. Super good. I think I might like this one better than the peanut butter. And that's saying a lot because I love peanut butter. I need to refill my water. Shoot, I can't. My water's holding my camera. But yeah, these are really delicious. I think I like these almond ones better than peanut butter, for sure. I mean, 10 grams of fat is pretty high, but almond butter and peanut butter are high in fat. This is so good. Definitely make sure you have something to drink. But you could throw one of these pouches like in your glove box, in your purse, in your diaper bag. So if you're out and about and it's going to be a while before your meal and you're hungry. This is so good. I'll have to go down and put one of these in Jay's lunchbox for in the morning. It's so good. If you're someone that tends to grab like granola bars for on the go, give these a try for something different because they actually have the peanut butter or almond butter right there on top. That's really good. It's like the perfect, like I could not eat 2 packs. One is plenty. It's not like too much, but one is like the perfect amount. Like with chips and stuff, I buy the small bags for portion control, but I could eat like 5 bags. This, there's no way I could eat 2 pouches at once. That's delicious. Ingredients: whole grain oats, that's the #1 ingredient. Almonds, palm and palm kernel oil, sugar, tapioca syrup, almond butter, salt, baking soda, non-fat dry milk, and natural flavor. That's it. Yeah, nothing crazy. That's really great ingredients. Contains almond milk, may contain egg, peanut, wheat, and soy ingredients. Yeah, that's amazing. Nothing crazy in there. I definitely recommend these. Like I said, especially if you like peanut butter, almond butter, or if you need like stuff for on the go, and if you like granola bars. Just a little spin on granola bars. I highly recommend these. 2 thumbs up for sure. And there's 5 pouches in there. So that's a pretty good deal. They're like a couple dollars at the store. I think they're like 2 something or 3 something, which isn't bad. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you've had these before, these or the peanut butter, and what you think of them, because I think they're amazing. And yeah, subscribe if you like these types of videos, because I'm always eating food and trying new foods. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.